Hi there, this is Nishi Mawani from Chennai, and today I am here to share my personal journey of weight loss with all of you. Let me tell you one thing. I started my weight loss journey in the year 2019. Back then, I was 69 kgs. March 2019, I was 69 kgs, and today we are what in Feb 2021. I am 45 kgs. Yes, I achieved this without going to the gym, without using any professional equipment, without following any fad diets, no keto diet, nothing. All this I achieved at home, eating my mom's food, following my routine, having my own cheat days, and here I am today for everyone who just needs that motivation, who just needs that start, who just needs the start to for their journey. So let me tell you, in the year 2019, we had planned a family trip to Switzerland. So, like everyone wants to look good, I also wanted to look good, wear good clothes, look thin. And that's when I told my brother, hey, I want to lose some weight. What can I do? He said, okay, start exercising. So I was I was that kind of a person who had zero motivation to exercise. Exercise was something that was really very it was an impossible task for me. It was like, oh my god, who will exercise? And then he was like, okay, he suggested me to go to the gym. But I had also been to the gym, but gym did not work for me. Honestly, gym did not work for me because I went to the gym, I think, for 1 year, but I didn't see any results. I was not seeing any results. So, yeah, gym was something that I didn't want to do. So I told him, listen, gym is not the option for me. You tell me what else can I do. So he told me, okay, start following some YouTube videos. There are so many videos on weight loss on YouTube. So you start following them. I said, okay, fine. I had 2 months with me before the trip. So I said, okay, let's start. Let's lose some weight. So that time I just wanted to lose 5 kgs to look good, to wear clothes that I could fit in earlier. So I started and I started with normal, only exercising at home with no change in my diet. So I am a guju. I used to eat carbs for all the 3 times in a day. So just imagine, I started exercising, but I wasn't following any proper diet for weight loss. And as everyone says, diet, the nutrition, what you eat, the food that you eat consists is 80% of what contributes to your weight loss, and exercise is what 20%. But according to me, both contribute. That is, you need to follow a good diet as well as you need to exercise. You can't just keep following a good diet and not exercise, and you can't just keep exercising and not follow a good diet. So, so that time I just started exercising. I used to follow some YouTube videos, and I started seeing some results. Yeah, I lost some 1 kgs or 2 kgs, but that was not enough. It There was no difference. Like no one could tell me that okay, you have lost weight. No one could look at me and tell okay, you have lost weight. Um so then I said okay, fine, I need to start doing something concrete so that the results are seen. So just 1 month before the trip, um, I started with this very easy diet, nothing very difficult to follow. What I did was, I started with uh, lemon tea. I substituted the sugar with jaggery, and I started my day with lemon tea and some nuts in the morning. And for lunch, what I did was I had some soup and I had a lot of salad. And for dinner, I ate the normal roti or rice or whatever which was made at home. So I also ate, if there was some variety, if there was some pizza or something, I also ate that for dinner. So I didn't stop my dinner. What I what I just did was I changed my breakfast and I changed my lunch. And I cut down on the amount of sugar that I used to intake. So yeah, that was it. And you won't believe, before I went to Switzerland, I had lost my 5 kgs. So yeah, I had achieved my goal by then. Um, when I went to Switzerland, I think from 69, I was 60, I was 64. Yeah, I was 64 or 63, and I was happy with that. But after I came back from the trip, um, I went to a mall, and I saw a top. It was so good. I wanted to wear it, but then there was my size was not available. I said, why is my size not available? He said, no, we have only in size S and in size M. We don't have size L and size XL. So that's when it struck me that no, okay, um, I want to begin my transformation journey from size XL and to size S, and that's when um I really started my weight loss journey following a proper routine. So, in this video, I will not be able to tell you as to what I did for the entire year, but for that reason, I am starting my own blog, Niche Fit, in which I will be posting, I will be blogging about my weight loss journey. I will be sharing my diet with you that I followed. I will also be sharing the recipes with you, because there are so many people out there who asked me how I achieved it, how I lost so much weight. No one was able to believe me. My friends in MBA, they had seen me when I was 69, when I was so fat, and then when they saw my transformation, all of them were so surprised. They said, Nishi, how did you do it? You are a foodie. You can't live without food. How did you achieve this? And yes, believe me, when I can, anyone out there can. Because let me tell you, a start is all that is required. Just that motivation is required to start the journey. And once you start the journey, you will definitely achieve your results. I want to share one thing with you. This was I had made a vision board in the when I was in ninth standard. So that back then also I was really chubby, and I've always been chubby, and I've always been on the heavier side. And back then I was around 55 or 56 kgs in the year ninth or 10th standard. And back then my weight loss goal was to be 50 kgs. I will show you the vision board also that I had made. Yeah, this is my vision board, and let me show you where I have. This was it. A short-term goal of achieving 50 kgs, and I had written I am 50 kgs. This was my short-term goal, which was not short-term at all, because I could never really achieve that 50 kgs 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, first year, second year, because trust me, I love food. I can't live without food. So yeah, that is why I am here today to motivate and to motivate everyone who wants to start their weight loss journey at home, who do not have the time to go to the gym, who just cannot follow diets, okay, who just cannot follow diets like keto, or who cannot spend on dietitian and on a nutritionist. So that is why I want to share my weight loss journey with you, and I hope this uh, really inspires you. I also want to show you some of my pictures, my transformation pictures. Yeah, so this was when I was 69 kgs. Just look at me, how fat I was. Okay. Yeah, this was my Switzerland trip when I had lost 5 kgs, 64. I tried to pose, tried to look fit, but yeah, like you can see, I am not that fit. I was not that fit. This was when I had started my weight loss. I think I was around 60 kgs. Yeah. So look at this picture. This was when I had, when I was 58 kgs, when I had lost weight. That is almost I had lost 11 kgs. And people had started noticing. People had started noticing my results. People started telling me, okay, you are looking good. You have started losing weight. And that is actually one thing that motivated me even more for my weight loss journey. This was again 58. I had started wearing clothes that looked good on me. And yeah, this was when I went for my convocation. This is when all my friends saw me and they said, wow, what a transformation. This was, I think, 56 kgs. Yes, this was, I think, the best version of me, 52 kgs. I was close to achieving my goal, which was 50 kgs. And yeah, this is what I am now, 45 kgs. Um, I feel happy, I feel confident, and I cannot tell you the happiness that I get when I see my transformation journey. So I hope this small transformational video was inspiring for you, and stay tuned for more videos and more posts on my journey.